Morning.
All right.
There doesn't seem to be an member of the public. You hit that. It won't let you proceed unless you state which party you represent.
No, I mean, the public can just say.
Okay, so I just want to make sure. Oh, thank you. Yes. Yes.
Let you know that motion has been denied.
It's not a motion, by the way.
You may not record this hearing.
Why not?
Do you agree to comply with that? I'm not debating it. Do you agree to comply with that order? You may not record it.
Audio or video?
Audio or video. You may not record.
Which hearing is this?
Do you agree to, I'm not bothering with you. No, you need to step away. You need to
Which
step away from the bench. You need to step away from the bench.
Which hearing number is this?
I'm in the middle of a hearing, and you're interrupting it. You may not record.
You're interrupting yourself. I'm just coming in as a citizen.
Gentlemen, I'm asking you to remove Mr. Hicks from failing to comply with court orders.
What did I fail to comply with?
Grab your stuff, please.
What did I fail to comply with?
You just had told you. Grab your stuff, please.
What did I fail to comply with?
Sir, I'm going to ask you to step away.
I just want to
You
want you to
said no
state.
audio recording, no visual recording.
Do you see me recording?
Well, good possibility you may have a recorder on you.
So you're afraid that I have a recorder on me.
Good possibility. He told you. No audio, no visual.
Okay, what's your name again?
Trooper Hendricks.
Okay.
Have all your belongings with you?
No, I'm going to go to the other hearings. There's 4 hearings today. So I'll wait for the next hearing and you can do the same thing.
You have your audio device going.
Do you want to search me?
No, I don't want to search. I'm asking.
You want to search me?
No, I don't want to search you at this point. I'm asking you.
I'm recording on my watch. You're allowed to do it.
Okay, well, I just told you there's audio hearing. Device is
So do those people have phones in there?
They have phones, but they're not recording.
Okay, how do you know
Hearing
that?
is already being recorded.
How do you know that they're not recording? Why am I being treated differently than others? What's your name, sir?
Staff Lieutenant Craig, so that.
Okay. By the way, Trooper Hendricks, are you recording right now?
Yes, sir, I'm not.
Okay. Were you recording at any time when you interacted with me thus far?
No. The recording didn't end.
I didn't know if you as a,
Keep it down.
if you had a recording device. you know the name of the hearing officer that's hearing this? This is case 2021-409. How do you spell it? I'm sorry, I couldn't even hear you. What did you say? T-E-A. And do you know the first name? Cody. Thank you.
From that number, so call them back. Okay.
Yes,
Your everything, I'm gonna ask you to leave the building.
I wish to attend the other hearing.
They're not gonna allow you to hear it, since you already violated the rules by recording the first
What,
time.
what rule did I violate?
Or recording the hearing.
Show me the rule.
That's what their rules are, sir.
Show me the rule.
So we're asking you to leave at this point?
Can you show me the rule?
Well, I'm calling back
Show me the rule that says you can't record.
whomever calls to just go ahead and file the 25 workings. I don't, there's stuff going on with the system and won't let me do what we're supposed to do.
So you were some viewpoint discrimination?
Yeah, because I had to do.
No, I know that term.
Yeah.
That means when you treat people differently based on their viewpoints. So people that have a not positive viewpoint of secrecy and lack of transparency, they could use the law and law enforcement to infringe on their rights.
Okay.
That's called viewpoint discrimination.
Well, again, we're not
That
asking you
other
to leave
people in
based
the
off
room-
of, we're not asking you to leave based off of your views or your opinions. We're asking you to leave based off of the fact that you violated the rule of recording.
What rule?
Sir, it's supposed to post it right there on the
You wanna
thing.
look
Says
at
you
it
gotta look on the
before?
website. So for the full list of the rules, it's on the website and it's posted right there for you to look.
So I want to see it.
Before you come
Show
in.
it to me.
Pull it up on the website.
You said it's posted right here.
Yeah,
Show
the
it to me
website.
right here. Where is it? Where? I didn't see where you pointed
See the website?
to. That's not, so you're saying that
It refers
It's
you
not-
to the website.
it's not actually in the rules, but there's a link to the rules, so why don't we go
Well,
there?
it's
and-
probably too big to put in the rules.
Looks like they got a lot of other stuff in there.
Well, yeah, but it's kind of summarized. Same thing with that.
So you're saying this is a website link?
Yeah.
Is what, so this is the actual rules, not the summary, so I went to here,
Okay.
and it's Rule 5715-1-116, Rule H. That's what a prior hearing officer cited,
Okay.
and that says, all hearings before the board shall be open to the public.
Yep.
Hearings may be recorded, and such recording shall be made available for examination at the board's office. That's the entirety
It's
of rules.
talking about theirs.
Their recordings.
Their
But where
recordings.
does it say I can't record?
You can't.
Under Ohio law, I have a right to record any place where people don't have an expectation of privacy, such as right here.
Well, this is an expectation of privacy.
Why is that an expectation of privacy?
That's why you have to have a public records request.
So you're saying you can't record in places where you would have to have a public records request for what?
Sir, I'm going for what the policies of.
I'm just
The
telling you that I
director?
believe that you're infringing
Okay.
on my rights because
Okay. Well,
these people don't agree
Go ahead
with
and
my
grab your
viewpoint.
stuff, okay?
I wish to attend
Listen,
the
I'm
other
gonna
hearings.
ask you to leave.
You're
and then-
I just want to make clear, you're prohibiting me from attending public hearings.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
We're prohibiting you from attending these hearings today, yes, because
Because
you violated the rules.
but you can't
and
actually
you
show me a
were told by
rule.
the board that you were not allowed to be in
You
there
can't actually
before.
show me a rule, correct?
Okay. You
He told me to go look at some website and I pulled up what he had. Oh, I need to check one other thing. Okay, so guys, OHC rule, the one I read, and they're same thing, says all hearings before the board shall be open to the public. Hearings may be recorded, and such recordings shall, hopefully you know from your training that means will, must, be made available for examination at the board's office. So last week when I was here, because of being held up here, I was completely unable to observe the hearing 2021-1683 because I was detained in here. So I wish to go back and ask to be able to examine, per their rules, the audio of that
Over
hearing.
the phone hearing. And then,
And I have a right to examine the recording of that hearing,
okay.
per their own rules.
Have you followed the public records request?
No, it doesn't say that. Their rules, I'll read the rule again to
Well, it
you.
does right there in that,
I will read the rule again to you.
I'm talking about right there. It
Well,
talks
I'm
about
reading the
following public-
actual Ohio
I
Administrative Code.
don't really.
All
I
hearings
understand
before
that.
the board shall be open to the public. Hearings may be recorded, and such recordings shall be made available for examination at the board's office.
And
So I wanna
you
go
need to
back
file a
and-
request for that.
No, you don't.
If you
Do
read
you
right
not
there.
get trained in public records laws?
Sir, I'm going by what's posted, okay?
Where was it posted there?
You have to, for a public records request.
No, not to come into an office to, you're aware of the concept of
So
lobbying.
you was already being asked to leave. okay, for violating the rules,
What rule?
recording.
Where was that rule?
You
But that
admitted
rule
to me
wasn't on
that
the
you were
sign.
audio recording inside when the,
That rule's not on any sign anywhere, right?
Your option, as far as reviewing those records that you're requesting reviewed, is to contact the office, either by email or by phone.
Well, I'm gonna go,
Okay,
if
because
you
you're
guys
being
can
asked to
watch me, I'm
leave
just
right
gonna
now.
go in and ask her
No, you're.
that I'd like to
leaving.
examine that
You're leaving
record.
now. You're leaving now, so you can.
So you're
call-
prohibiting me also from being able to examine the
we've
records
already asked you to
of this
leave.
we
body?
already asked you to leave, listen, I'm gonna,
Okay. You gonna arrest me again?
I'm gonna order you to
threaten me?
leave and then you're gonna be arrested if you don't leave on a law.
There is a process for record request, you have to go through that process. As of
No,
now,
so
you're
you're
being
saying-
asked to leave because you
So you're
violated the
saying there
rules
are
during the
unwritten
hearing.
rules that say examination at the board's office, that doesn't apply? It's
You
different
lost
rules.
that opportunity because you violated the rules during the hearing. Had you just come up
But you
here
can't show me
and
the
filed
rules.
You went
those.
right into the hearing and interrupted it.
A public hearing, people can walk in and out of, right? A courtroom, you can walk in, you don't have to be in the courtroom
Yes.
at the beginning.
But I guarantee
You're
you're
aware
not
of
gonna
this,
walk
right?
in and
You've been in
interrupt the
courtroom.
judge.
I have been in courtroom.
I didn't interrupt the judge at all.
You
The
did,
judge,
you interrupt the hearing officer.
I didn't say anything. I came in and sat down and the judge started talking about me.
Right, because.
I never said a word.
Because you had recording devices with you and you.
How do you
wanted
know
to
that?
make
Did
You
you ask
see
any
it
other,
in your
did you ask
hearing,
any other
sir.
people in that
Your
room if they had
hearing
recording
saying-
devices?
He explained
Or
to
only
you
me?
that you filed a petition to be able to record. He was advising you that that was denied,
Okay.
okay? And asked you if you were recording.
And did he
You were
ask any other
recording.
person in that room if they were recording?
I don't know that anybody else never filed a petition to record.
So if I didn't file a petition, it would have been okay?
Again, sir, you're here to enforce the building rules, okay?
It seems to me like
Not
you're here to
on rules
violate
there.
citizens' rights that are requesting access to their government. Right? You didn't provide me with any reasonable accommodation, such as to confiscate search me. I offered to be searched.
You
So you could
admitted to me
confiscate
that you're
anything.
audio recording and he told you.
I offered to be searched. You could have confiscated anything on me that was electronic and allowed me to be able to observe those hearings. But instead, because of my viewpoint, you're discriminating against me and kicking me out of this building.
It has nothing to do with your viewpoint.
What does it have to do with
the
that?
fact that you're recording.
My viewpoint is that these hearings should be
It has
transparent.
nothing to do with your viewpoint.
Isn't that to do with my
Enforcing
viewpoint?
the rules as the taxation board.
Can I just
And you
My
violated those rules
viewpoint
by
is-
going in there with an audio
Where's
recording
the
device
rule?
after you were already denied.
no, I wasn't denied till I walked in the room, right?
You were in the room and started recording before you even had permission. You admitted you were recording on
And
your
where
watch.
is a rule that says you can't do that?
You filed a petition
No, so you know that I filed a petition. How do you know that?
because I heard him tell you.
Okay, so
And it
do
was
you know any of the
denied.
context of that petition?
Sir, we're not going to have a legal debate
We're
here.
not.
Either
Okay,
you're going to leave, or I'm going to place you under arrest for failure to comply with it.
Okay, can I go to the unemployment office in here, or am I banned from all offices?
What's your badge say? What?
So I can only get, what is the bid say?
24th floor. Nope, you can't go.
Okay, so you can only go to so if I
Yes,
wanted to
have
go
an
to a different
appointment.
office, what would I do? I'd go out
You
and
have to have an
reapply to come in?
appointment.
So all the other offices in here, you need to have appointments to
Yes,
get
you
to?
have to have appointments.
So the public can't come in here and ask to go to any
You can't
office?
just come in here and walk around. No, you have to
Well,
have
I didn't say
appointments or
walk
business.
around, did I? I said, and ask to go to a specific office.
Right.
They have to
You
be
need to
pre-cleared.
contact that office
Okay.
to get authorization to come here. That's why when you come in, they check
Okay.
in. They make sure that you have a reason to be here.
I got
If
it.
it's a
I'm gonna
public
go.
hearing,
I'm
then
gonna
you let
go.
everybody out.
Can you write me down your contact
Yeah,
information?
sure.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Do you have a contact number?
A contact.
Like their phone number or where I would contact the phone? What does that say? Craig. Okay, Craig. I can't criticize. Look at my handwriting.
Let's see what my office number is. I don't ever call myself, so.
So all guys has to go and change everything for that question. Don't make it wrong. And he's saying this will take
Yep.
And you have some special role for this building specifically, or
Do I have what?
is your role specific to this building, or?
So I work in security services, yes. So
Okay.
I have responsibilities in this building, the State House, the roads, the expo center, the facility.
Okay, so you're very well familiar with then public meetings and open
Yes.
records law. Okay, thank you. Thanks, sir.